I'm Explorer Miu Miu. Come with me and seek treasure chests in the desert. Follow the treasure map, and you'll find the treasure chest. Wow, look! There's a pangolin! Pangolin! The pangolin is digging into the mound to eat the termites. I love to eat termites. Can you help me catch them? Awesome! You've helped Brother Pangolin! Let's keep exploring! Look! There are some ostriches! Ostrich! Daddy Ostrich is hatching eggs.
The wolves are here to steal the eggs. Let's drive them away.
Those nasty wolves have been driven away. Great job! Let's keep going. Look, there's a camel. Camel. Mr. Camel is carrying goods.
Where are my goods?
All the goods have been carried away. Thank you. The treasure chest is just ahead. Look, there are some meerkats. Meerkat. What does the baby meerkat want to do? I'm so sleepy. Can you help me get back to my burrow? My burrow is green. My burrow is blue. My burrow is red. You've helped all the baby meerkats get back in their burrows. Great job! Wow, so many stickers! Look, it's a new treasure map! Follow the treasure map, and you'll find the treasure chest. Wow, look! There's a pangolin! Pangolin! Look, Brother Pangolin and Sister Pangolin are here! Ha ha! Come and find me! I really want to play with my brother. Can you help me find him? I hate these horrifying bugs! Hurry! Swat all the bugs! Help Sister Pangolin get rid of all of the leaves. Sister Pangolin is so happy. Thank you. Let's keep exploring. Look, there are some meerkats. Meerkat. The mommy and baby meerkats are playing hide and seek. All my babies are very well hidden. Come and help me find them. We found all the naughty baby meerkats. Let's keep going. Look, there are some ostriches. Ostrich. What's wrong, baby ostrich? I want to eat some bugs. Can you help me? The baby ostriches are all full. Well done. The treasure chest is just ahead. Look, there's a camel. Camel. Look, it's Mr. Camel.
Oh no, here comes the wolf. I have to run quickly.
Mr. Camel can run even faster if eating the cactus. Mr. Camel can run even faster if eating the cactus. Mr. Camel has reached a safe place. Well done. Wow, so many stickers. Look, it's a new treasure map.